Very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome to St. Ange's Public School, Bagpat. Online Economics Classes Part 18, Class 11th Commerce. As you know that we are working from our home. So my dear student, today we'll discuss chapter number 2, Consumers Equilibrium. As you know that in my previous video we have completed cardinal approach. We have completed cardinal approach, and you know that there are two approaches to study consumer equilibrium. There are two approaches to study consumer equilibrium, and you know that we have completed first approach, means cardinal approach. And you know that in cardinal approach we have discussed consumer equilibrium in case of one commodity and consumer equilibrium in case of two commodities. But today we are going to discuss next approach, means second approach, ordinal approach. And ordinal approach is also known as indifference curve analysis. Ordinal approach is also known as indifference curve analysis, or you can say that ordinal approach is also known as Hicksian approach. Hicksian approach, because uh, ordinal approach was given by Hicksian economist. Because ordinal approach was given by Hicksian economist, so we can say that ordinal approach is known as Hicksian approach. And we can say that ordinal approach is also known as indifference curve analysis. My dear student, we will try to understand this approach with the help of indifference curve, so first of all we are going to discuss meaning of indifference curve. See here, indifference curve refers to the graphical representation. Indifference curve refers to the graphical representation of all possible combination of two goods, which gives the consumer is indifferent. Consumer is different means you can say that combination of two goods which gives the same level of satisfaction. Consumer is indifferent mean same level of satisfaction with given income and price. So now you can say that indifference curve refers to the graphical representation of all possible combination of two goods which gives the same level of satisfaction. You can say that among which consumer is indifferent with given income and price. Given income is limited and price remains constant. Now after this we will try to understand indifference curve with the help of schedule and diagram. See, this is schedule means table, and this is diagram. This is schedule and this is a diagram. First of all we will discuss this schedule, then after we will discuss diagram. See now, see here, there are five combinations. First of all you will write combination, then you will take good A, you can take good B, good C, good D, it's up to you. Then you will take another good, like good B. See here, I am taking here good B. See, after this you will take in fourth column MRS. MRS means marginal rate of substitution. What is the formula of MRS? See here, what is the formula of MRS? Suppose if I am taking here good A and good B, it means MRS of AB. Suppose I am taking here good X and good Y, then MRS of X and Y. Suppose I am taking here good C and good D, then MRS of CD. I hope all of you have understood. See, what is the formula of MRS? Change in sacrifice, or you can say that, see, change in simple terms, change in units of sacrifice good divided by change in units of gain good. Units of gain good. See, now what is the full form of MRS? Marginal rate of substitution. Marginal rate of substitution. And what is the formula of marginal rate of substitution? See, change in units of sacrifice good means divided by change in units of gain good. And see, what is the full form of MRS? Marginal rate of substitution. What is the formula of MRS? See, this is the formula. Now what is the definition of MRS? What is the definition of MRS? See, I assume change in units of sacrifice good like X, and I am assuming change in units of gain good here Y. See, I can write this fraction into this form, X ratio Y. I can write this fraction into this form, X ratio Y. So we can say that what is the definition of MRS? Listen carefully. Marginal rate of substitution refers to the ratio of change in units of sacrifice good to change in units of gain good. 2 will be used for divide, means a marginal rate of substitution refers to the ratio of change in units of sacrifice good to change in units of gain good. I hope full form of MRS is clear, for the formula of MRS is clear, and definition of MRS is also clear. Now see, how can we make this type of table? You can say table of indifference curve. See, first of all you will take combination. Then after you will take good X. Suppose I am taking here good X. Then after good Y. Then after you will take MRS of X, Y is equal to C. Change in. See, suppose I am assuming here good X as a sacrifice good. And I am assuming here good Y as a gain good. See, now sacrifice good is X and gain good is good Y. So sacrifice good means X. See, put here X, and gain good means good Y. So write here Y. Means you know that what is the formula of, see here, what is the formula of MRS? Change in units of sacrifice good change to divided by change in units of gain good. Means now see here, delta shows change. This is change, and this is change. See, now see combination. I am taking here combination A, B, C, D, E, F. Now I assume here good X as a sacrifice good, and I am assuming here good Y as a gain good. See, now first of all you will give value to the gain good. See, now you will start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add all these values. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 4, 15, 15 plus 3, 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 20 plus 1, 21, and right here 21, right here 21. See, uh, I have taken here 6 units of good y, 6 units of good y. It means, first of all, see, if you want to increase, good y, you can say, if you want to increase the consumption of good y, then you have to decrease, the consumption of good x, because your incomes are limited, it means that your incomes are limited. It means that if you want to increase the consumption of good y, means gain good, then you have to sacrifice the consumption of good x, means sacrifice good. Decrease good means sacrifice good. Increase good means gain good. See, now first of all, then you know that you have to sacrifice the consumption of this good, because we are assuming this good as a sacrifice good. Now after, see, maximum unit is 6, maximum unit is 6. See, first of all, sacrifice by 6 unit, see here, 21 minus 6 means 15. Then after, sacrifice by 5 units, 10. Then after 4, see, first of all by 6, then after 5, then after 4, 6, then after 3, then after 3, and after 2, means 1.